Yeah, right. Is Introduction and Basics, Mobile Design.
Yeah, hello. Sorry about that. Please, am I audible?
Yes, I can
Hello.
hear you.
Okay. So my name is Harrison Amwa, and I'm going to be a moderator for this session. And the topic we are going to deal with is Introduction to UI UX in Design, which is literally user interface, user experience design. And on that rate, we are going to delve into things like the introduction and basics, the mobile design, the design fundamentals, and then web design is going to be the last thing we talk about in this session. So I guess we have like people who are not Society of Petroleum Engineers members. So I would like to like walk all of us through what SPE is, the benefits you get to join or to become an SPE member, and probably how we can get to register these people to join us as well. Hope that's fine.
Yeah, that's fine.
Okay. So to our new members and to anyone here who probably have not heard about SPE before, but because of this program or this session, they have had the opportunity to be here. SPE is literally Society of Petroleum Engineers, and it's an international non-profit organization. It's mostly like across many countries, about 145 countries, yeah. And Ghana happens to be one of the countries that is part of SPE. Now, SPE is literally designed for petroleum engineers and people of other disciplines, which means that you don't necessarily have to be studying petroleum engineer or you have to be a petroleum engineer before you join SPE. Whether you're an electrical engineering, you are doing arts and social sciences, you are doing economics and all that, you can still register to become a member of the Society of Petroleum Engineering, Ghana to be precise, right? And as a member, what are some of the benefits that you get? So we have the student section, and then you have the young professional section. With the student section, of which most of us are part of, is basically for people within the various tertiary institutions. Yeah, does anyone want to talk? Naomi, can you hear me? All right.
So move on.
Okay. So as I was saying, the student section, which comprises of most tertiary institutions in Ghana, we have the UNE, we have University of Energy and Natural Resources, we have KNUST, University of Ghana, Regional Maritime University, University of Mines and Technology, which is UMAT, we have KTU, and we have TTU. Yeah, just to mention but few. So as a member within the student section, what you get benefit is what we are doing right now. So from the guidance and career team, they are organizing a session for everyone to be able to come and learn and equip themselves with skills. So SPE Ghana have a host of programs that they do for both student section and then the young professional section to be able to benefit from it. Second, they have things like scholarships. Okay, so let's say you are struggling with school stuff and you would need help. SPE has now introduced what we call the SPE scholarship, where individuals will apply, and then the best people or the people that are in most need of that scholarship will be chosen to start enjoying that kind of like benefits, right? And then we have a lot of like resources related to petroleum engineering and then the oil and gas industry. So if you would want to like broaden your knowledge about things within the oil and gas field, there are resources where be shared to you in your email once you become a member and you subscribe to some of these resources on our website. You start to get a lot of them and then you start reading through to be able to like quench your thirst on the in the oil and gas industry. Yeah, and then the young professionals are literally the people who have graduated from the university. Talk of the NSS personnel and those in the workforce, they constitute the young professionals. So once you graduate from the university, you now become a young professional and you also begin to enjoy the same benefit that I've already mentioned. Yeah, so our new members or the non-SPE members, kindly stay tuned after this session. I'll find a way out so that like you give us your contacts or your emails and then we'll reach out to you on how we can register you to join SPE. I think this should be enough. I'll say, please, is the speaker ready? Can I introduce him?
Yes, it's ready.
Okay. So once again, you are all welcome to this session. The one to do as the honors on the introduction to user interface, user experience design. It's in the person. Okay, he's a software engineer from Al AI. I just hope I'm right for this pronunciation.
Can you hear me?
Yeah. Come again.
Yeah, can you hear me? Can you hear
Yes,
me?
I can.
It's all AI, but the all is in German.
Oh, okay. All AI. All right. All right. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Christian. So yeah, he's a software engineer at All AI, and he's in the person of Christian Ado. Without further ado, let's welcome Christian to take over.
Okay. Good afternoon, everyone. Yes, my name is Ade Christian. Okay. Oh yeah. This year, I can just talk about AI. So we can see.
Christian,
Okay.
please, we could barely hear you. I don't know if it's from my end. Your
Okay.
voice is.
What about now? Okay, what about now? Hello.
I believe it's fine now.
Right now it's fine, right?
Yes, please. Do go ahead.
Okay. So a little bit about where I work. OAI is an all-in-one AI platform. You can actually just Google it right now, and you will just see it provides you. It's a platform that provides you the opportunity to converse with two or more models simultaneously and side by side. So you just use a single prompt, then
Hi, Christian. Yes, the meeting is ongoing, but I think we've lost Christian. Hello, can anyone hear me?
Yeah, Harrison, I
can
can
hear
hear
you.
you.
I can hear you actually.
Okay,
We can hear you.
I think Christian is having a problem with his connection because we could barely hear him.
No.
Okay, Ose, please can you get him for us?
Yes, I'm on it.
Okay, so guys, while we wait for Christian to get his connection back, if you have any question regarding what I said about SPE, you are free to ask and I'll be glad to answer you.
And with this account, it is a free account. So with the free, it is very much limited to what I can do. But and you see, so these are also some of the stuffs that I've been doing on the free page, together with a mobile UI over here. And I think these ones are mobile. There are some also at the top here. There are some also over here. And there was a web UI. Yeah, the web. Now I wasn't even halfway completed, but as you can see, wait, what? I just hide this thing. And there are also other works here. So the first thing I ask you is to have the account. First of all, which did you guys actually have you guys been able to do the steps? I want to know. Hello, and you guys actually
Yeah, I have my Figma installed with everything.
with the account,
I don't know for
you have
others.
it. Yeah. Okay. What about the others? Wait, there's a chat. So let's see.
Yeah,
Wait.
hello. I also have mine installed.
Same
Okay.
here.
So it seems.
I have
Yeah.
also
Okay. It
installed
I
seems.
have my Figma installed, although I feel like I'm using the free version.
Oh.
I've also installed mine.
Yeah. Hello, guys.
Hello.
Yeah.
Can you?
Okay, sorry. I don't know what's happening, but
Is that your voice a little down if you can sort of
okay.
bring it up?
Okay, sorry. I don't know. There's something wrong with my speaker over here. But let's just try and continue. So once you create the project, so I would need you guys to actually create like a new design, desktop in the position. This one, not this one, this one.
70908.
And then you name it. So, yeah. So here you need to create a new Figma file. You would actually just open up a file and then you just name it. So you see, I've created a new file, like a new Figma file. And you get to name it when you double click on this. One. Oh, okay.
Okay, Tony.
Okay.
Yeah.
I bet most of you have been able to do this. Hello, guys.
Yeah, hello. Christian, your voice is still a little low. I don't know if you can.
What about now?
Yeah, I think for me it's perfect now. Okay, cool. Is it the same from your end? Okay. Please just go ahead. We will let you once it drops off again.
Okay. So now, when you have the file ready, what you should know about this is that once you have selected the page that you are working on, you can actually edit what you want the page to look like. So mostly people go with something dark. You still can't hear. Please, you can barely hear. Is that still the case right now? Hello?
Hello, Christian.
Yeah, is that still the case right now?
Yeah, is it sometimes can barely
Let
hear
me
you.
try.
Try increasing your voice.
Okay. What about now? Hello?
Yeah, hello,
Yeah,
we can hear you now. We can hear you now.
okay. Dorothy is saying she can hear you, so I think you can go on.
Let's continue. Okay. So once you create the first page, you can actually design what you want the page to look like. Mostly people choose the color they want. It's either black or white. But mostly I would prefer you guys using the darker one since you will be using something called a frame over here. So when you click on the second one, this one, you actually get to see the frame and section and the slide. Mostly you will be using the frame and section. So when you click on the frame or click on F, you actually get to choose what kind of frame you want to work with. So mostly there are phones over here, tablets, desktop, and presentation, watch, paper, social media. So you get to see. And if you choose, you actually get to see. It gives you the exact frame of what you chose. So if you want to design for an Instagram post, you just select the frame for the Instagram post. But mostly today, I mean, today is just an introduction. So I will introduce you to all the. So if you go with a phone, you get to choose between the frame for each phone. Mostly people design for Android 16, Android Medium, and 16 Plus. But you can now choose the frame for an iPhone. Mind you, if you choose the frame, it is just a blank canvas. There is actually nothing here for you to do. It's just an empty page. Although when you select, you can actually view what you have done.
Hello, Christian.
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
I think we lost you once again. Your voice is a little low again.
Yeah, hold on, let me fix that. There's a problem. Yeah, hello guys.
Yeah, hello, Christian.
Okay, sorry. There's a small issue. I'll fix it. Let's why is this? Okay. Let me just break it down. So when you choose the frame, as I was talking about the frame, it is actually a blank thing. There is actually nothing shown. You see, it will just output what you have selected. So since I chose for an iPhone, you get to see the layout, everything that will be designed onto this frame, this iPhone 13, 14 frame will be outputted here. So if you choose a frame for so if you choose a frame for a desktop, let's just say a normal desktop screen, and you present it, it would actually yes. Wait, so the frame would actually just be shown for what you the frame that you actually selected for. I don't know why is this thing. So, and mind you, you'll be designing onto a frame. So you before you actually start with any design or Figma, Before you can actually design anything on Figma, you actually need to select a frame. But today we'll just be going through most of the stuff. Tomorrow we'll actually start with the design stuff. And here, the next one, this one, would actually get to choose the shape you want to design with. Mostly you use a rectangle. And when you select the rectangle, on the right hand side, when you select it, you can actually manipulate the shape. So if you want it to rotate, you would actually just, or if you prefer, you can actually use your mouse to do it. Much like how most editors, most edited IDEs also look like. So with this part, you actually get to fill in the color and the appearance, the layouts, the angle, and there's supposed to be okay, with the appearance, actually get to also edit this also. This is for you to edit the radius. You can type in any value you want. The part you should also know about is this stuff. Mostly the shapes, the line, the arrow, the eclipse, a polygon, a star, or you can actually insert an image. With each shape, you get to edit what you want it to look like, and the color, the stroke. The stroke is actually just the border, and this let me just increase the value. So this is the stroke. So if you want it to be inside, outside, center, it all depends on what you want to do. So let's just 5. And with all the shapes here, no, they all have the same design properties. Yeah. So this is what the stroke actually is. And if you want it to look a little bit rounder, you can actually just do this. You can just change the appearance. And the effect is more of shadow, mostly shadow and the blur, how you want it to be blurred. So with also Figma, you can actually have multiple properties of these stuff. So you can't just choose one. You can actually just use all 4 of them at the same time. So something like this. And when you click on this, you actually get to edit the position. So let me just give this one 100% so you'd actually know. Make it right. So this is what I'm using. So this is the shadow that I have introduced here. But let me just change it to this. So I want it to be a little lighter. So this is the value for the shadow. You actually have the drop shadow, which is mostly outside here, and the inner shadow, which will be here. and the background blur also. You can actually have the background blur to a certain degree. And if you are done designing a specific thing and you want to export it, you can just use this one also. Once you click on it, you choose which kind of the extension that you want. If you want it to be a PNG, JPEG, or an ISPG, even if you want it to be a PDF, you can just export it. So with this one, with these ones, they are just shapes that you get to edit. They are these are the shapes that are there, and you can actually insert an image there. So let's just let me just insert an image. So California, so, so you see. So once you insert the image, it comes with its own default layouts, but sometimes you need to edit it. And when you come to the fill, you get to edit it. If you want it to fit, if you want to crop it by your own self, if you want it to be something like this, if you only need this part, you can actually just do it like. But if you want it to be in a tile form, no, so yeah, probably it all depends on what you want to do. So this one. Okay, so with this one, it actually allows the pen and the pencil. It actually allows you to fully edit anything you want. So if you want to edit something, you just freely draw what you want. So with this, I have just drawn a shape that I want. Most people actually don't like using it because they will just have a shape. Then after that, they just edit it through. And I think for the last thing you also need to know about is the text field. This one, you can just introduce this, then you type whatever you want in there. So once you type anything there, you just come here to change the font to what you want. So I want it to be in this one, 60. Then there it. Then you, and mind you, these are all just some of these stuff should be a little bit familiar because most people, if you actually watch most of these UI stuff videos online, and how the ID is actually made for you is you just need to know where the stuffs are to edit what you want to. So with text also, you can actually just give them stroke or whatever you want, whatever color you think you'd want to edit in. So I think for today, we would go through just one simple design, then we would move on from today. So today, what would you guys, can anyone suggest what you want to do for your first Figma in the introduction? Would you guys want to do a mobile or a web or let me just say a flyer? I just want you guys, one of you guys, to suggest what you would actually want to be introduced to for today.
A flyer.
Okay, you want a flyer. Okay, so
Yep.
okay, for the flyer, there are actually a few things you need to know. If you want to start, you need to actually select a frame. The most flyers use in this frame paper. I think paper, mostly A4 sheet. So this is your flyer. And what you need to also have for the flyer is what you're actually designing for. So if I'm designing a flyer and I mostly choose around 3 colors for it to be present in the flyer. The major colors, mostly one for text, one for the background, and one for other stuff. The reason why I choose 3 colors is that most of the time having a multicolored flyer isn't all that good unless you are importing it from an image. So let's just start with this. So okay, let me just do something like this. Mind you, when I selected the frame and changed the color, the next thing you are mostly going to do is you let me just draw some shapes over here. So I'm going to okay, the shapes that I have drawn. I think let me just through them and start over. Let me just start with one, then I'll just duplicate. So once I have this shape, I'm going to edit this shape for it to suit what I want. So first I would change the appearance to 20. So let me just okay. So once I have this, I will change the fill. And mind you, okay, mind you, I can change mind you, I'm just doing a small editing for you guys. So if I want to make a flyer like, let me just take a look at, let me just, mostly people want flyers. So I just hold on. I just want to use a point of reference to do the flyer. And let's just say I want to do this one. You see this one, these strips. So if I want to do a flyer like this one, let me just go to the design. So I just need to make sure that yes. So let me just a little bit like this. Okay, so let us go. I'm going to okay, so then and just yeah, just take a look. I'm going to be a little bit fast. Hello.
Oh, I want to play.
Hello, Christian.
Are you done?
Hello, Christian. Christian.
Hello, Christian. I don't think you can hear us.
Christian, please, are you there?
Can you try reaching at the background? Team.
Okay, you guys can hear me. I just told you that I'm going to be designing something and I'm going to move a little bit faster. So that's why I'm actually not speaking. I want to move a little bit faster. All right. So let's do this and okay, have have one thing. So I'll just I'm just trying to move a little faster for today because today I actually just want to show you how you can actually design with it. But so I'm moving a little bit fast. So if you can't hear anything, I'm just not talking and I'm not talking because I actually want to get it down faster also. So let me just upload an image and there's this. Okay, let me see. No, those needs. So, okay, I'm going to design a flyer for a Golden State match. So, let me just. So, let me just. So, let me just. Let me just. So, yeah, okay, so, yes. Oh, so, oh, I'll just change this to crop because I want to crop it side. There's it. So, that it looks awful. So, let me just do this. So, yes, 20. Let me just, let me just. So, the next thing that I would need a text. So, let me just write.
More super glue or paper glue. No, they might be. So paper glue now it is a starch. Maybe. You should.
Paper glue. Please mute yourself.
Yeah. Well, look, I hope you guys are just taking a look at what I'm doing. I'm not actually speaking because I want to just do it a little bit faster so that we move on for today. Today, we wouldn't actually be editing anything fancy. I'm just doing a small demo for you guys just to see. So just try and follow what I'm doing. So after that, I'll just explain little by little what I did after. So just please follow.
Mama glue. There's no.
Liverpool born, what born when I mean Liverpool born. Hey. England was on the panel, my price pan now. How did life is on a move.
Guys, are you following? I actually need you guys to respond.
Yes, please, you are following, Christian.
Um, okay. So I think most of you are just taking a look. So let me just continue. So with this shape now, again, that's white. Put this one over there. See, put this one over there. Okay, let's just go with four. So, So I'm going to leave. Hey, so hello guys.
Yeah, Christian. Christian, please, are you done now? Please, can anyone hear me?
Yeah, of course. I can hear you, Harrison.
Okay. I think we've lost
Um,
Christian
please,
again.
I want to lay a complaint, please.
Okay, go ahead, Sandra.
Okay, with my battery level, I'm not sure I'll be able to continue with this course. Please, is there a way they can send to like people's email so I could just continue from maybe where the person stopped? Because as it is, my battery is like really running low for my system, and I don't have power supply at the moment.
Okay, I think the session is being recorded, so it will be uploaded on SPA YouTube. I'll say, is that true?
Yes, we will upload it on your YouTube channel.
Okay, will the YouTube channel be sent? The link will it be sent to the WhatsApp platform?
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. I think I'll have to drop down from this course as much as I want to continue.
Okay, Sandra, thank you for joining.
All right, will there be like another class?
Yeah, tomorrow.
What time tomorrow, please?
It will be communicated in the group. So if you're in the group, you would get it. Okay.
All right, thank you very much. I really
You're
do
welcome.
appreciate.
Please, you are waiting for. Okay, he's back now. Christian, we lost you.
Hello. I can't
Hello,
hear
Chris.
anything. Okay. Yeah, right now I can hear. Okay. Okay. So I think this is where I got think of. I don't know what to play, but mostly okay. Just also introduce you guys to something today. Um, when you are designing, you need HDVs. Okay. And they are like these ones. Just show you before it looks. And that's it. So, okay, you can actually take time to make them, but I would these small images over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. You see these ones? Can you guys hear me?
Not really. I think you were
Um,
breaking.
yes.
Yeah, Christian, not really, but I think you were breaking.
Okay, what about right now?
I think it's fine now. Yeah.
Okay, so I was just talking about SV. And I said like, can anyone respond? Like, do you know what an SVG is?
Christian, come again.
Hold on, just hold on for a second. Okay, let's check it. So,
Okay.
yeah, what about now? Can you guys hear?
Yeah, it's fine now.
Oh, okay. I said, you guys, when you're designing, you need a lot of SVG and PNG. So one place you can actually get an SVG is here. So if you want to place an SVG for Google,
We've lost Christian again. Okay, he's back.
yeah, hello.
Yeah, Christian.
Uh, I can't actually hear what you're saying.
We lost you, but then you are.
No.
Hello, Christian. Please, we missed you on where you were telling us SVG is used for designing. So can you take us there?
Yeah, yeah,
Hello, Christian. Can you?
yeah, I can hear you now. Sorry. Okay, so talking about the SGGs, maybe you would want to have this one, these stuff. Can you guys see this one? Maybe a link. You want to add a link or a hashtag or something like that on a flyer. Hello.
Yeah, we are listening.
Yeah. Hello. I think
Hello,
the third one.
Christian.
I think there's my network is still not stable.
Yeah, but then raise your voice a bit.